I'm Brock Dixon with Complete Clearing in Marengo, Ohio. Our company is, we do clearing, land clearing, we do demolition, and then we do erosion control. We've been in business since 1995. So for several years, we've been running the 430s and 445 Komatsu track fellers. We get everything from Columbus equipment as far as our fellers go. We got introduced to a 735 TimberPro early last year. Wasn't a hard change at all. We went with the 735s, fairly easy. From an operator standpoint, they're very, very comfortable, very user-friendly. The particular one behind me, we are currently on a job in Portland, Ohio, State Route 33, road widening. It consists of 160 plus acres of clearing. This machine, up and down these hills, handling the trees well, just love it. With the 735, I've noticed a pretty good difference in the handling of larger trees. I feel it has a lot sturdier, firm grip on the trees. I feel I can maneuver it better. I feel that if I had two of these machines sitting side by side, a 430 and a 735, and we were taking the same tree down, and I did it the same way, I would feel that this machine is stronger handling that tree. And when I say that tree, I'm talking a big tree. The engine in these things, the Cummins, the L9 Cummins in these 735s, the power that you have, it never lets up. I feel really comfortable running it in all different conditions. The cab on them is a little different. They kind of set them off to the opposite side. That's something that was not hard to get used to at all, especially with the interior on this machine. Climate control, great seat for the operator, the radio system, the heated seat. You know, they've come a long way. It's just a very nice machine to run. A lot of updated things that people will love. I find the rear camera traversing up and down hills especially, you know, it's very nice to know where some stumps and big rocks and washouts are. You know, the rear camera adds a lot. So after 15 years or so dealing with Columbus equipment, man, they just seem to get better. Not a ton of people to work with, just a couple that are absolutely great, and you don't need anyone else. And they're a great team to work with.